Hello children, today we are going to read the chapter My Dearest Lizzie. It is an extract from the novel Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Let us know about the author. Jane Austen was an English novelist whose novels mainly interpret, critique, and comment upon the British landed gentry at the end of the 18th century. Children, critique means to examine critically or detailed analysis and assessment of things. Austen was educated at home and lived a secluded life. Secluded life? Secluded, a person who doesn't want to mix up with people and prefers to lead a lonely life is called a secluded person. She wrote about the quiet life of small English towns and villages. Pride and Prejudice is set in rural England in the early 19th century, and it follows the Bennet family, which includes 5 sisters who had very different characteristics and temperament. Mrs. Bennet is obsessed with the idea to see all her daughters married and well settled in respectable and prosperous families. The novel follows the character development of Elizabeth Bennet, the dynamic protagonist of the book. One night, while the Bennets are discussing the soldiers over dinner, a note arrives from Bingley's inviting Jane to Netherfield for a day. Mrs. Bennet conspires to send Jane by horse rather than coach, knowing that it will rain and that Jane will consequently have to spend the night at Mr. Bingley's house. Unfortunately, her plan works out too well. Jane gets drenched in the rain, falls ill, and is forced to remain at Netherfield. Elizabeth, her younger sister, goes to visit her, hiking over on foot, as she does not know how to ride a horse. When she arrives at Netherfield with soaked and dirty stockings, she causes quite an unusual sight, and she thinks that the Bingleys may not be liking her in soiled clothes. Jane insists that her sister Elizabeth spend the night with her, and the Bingleys agree. Children, meet Bennet family. Mr. and Mrs. Bennet, their 5 daughters, Jane, Elizabeth, fondly called Lizzie or Eliza, Mary, Catherine, fondly called Kitty, and Lydia. Their home is in a village of London called Longbourn. Now the explanation of the chapter, My Dearest Lizzie. Mrs. Bennet conspires to send Jane by horse rather than coach, knowing that it will rain and that Jane will consequently have to spend the night at Mr. Bingley's house. Her plan works out, but with ill consequences. Jane is soaked, falls ill, and is forced to remain at Netherfield. Soon after Jane left for Netherfield, it started raining hard. Her sisters were uneasy and worried for her. But Mrs. Bennet was delighted with the turn of events. The next morning, a servant from Netherfield brought a note from Jane which read that she was very unwell and that her host insisted on her staying till she was better. Elizabeth, Jane's younger sister, feeling anxious, was determined to go to meet Jane. As the carriage could not be arranged and she did not know how to ride a horse, walking was her only alternative. She declared her determination to go to see her sick sister. Catherine and Lydia offered to accompany Elizabeth till Meryton, and the three young ladies set off together. Elizabeth jumped over stiles and sprang over puddles and arrived at Netherfield with weary ankles, dirty stockings, and a glowing face. She was shown into the breakfast parlour where all were present except for Jane. Elizabeth's appearance created a great deal of surprise and disapproval. That she should have walked 3 miles by herself was almost incredible to Mrs. Hertz and Miss Bingley. In Mr. Bingley's manner there was good humour and kindness. Mr. Darcy was doubtful about justifying her coming so far alone. He could not help admire her for her efforts. Elizabeth inquires about her sister's health, but she was not very favourably answered. Jane had not slept well, was very feverish, and not well enough to leave her room. Elizabeth was taken to her immediately. Elizabeth began to like Bingley's sisters when she saw how much affection they showed for Jane. The apothecary came and said that Jane had caught a violent cold. Children, apothecary is a person who makes and sells medicines. He advised her to return to bed and prescribed some drugs. The advice was followed readily, but the feverish symptoms increased and her head ached acutely. In the evening, when the clock struck 3, Elizabeth felt that she must go, and very unwillingly wanted to leave for her home. However, Jane wanted her to stay with her instead. Miss Bingley consequently invited Elizabeth to remain at Netherfield. Elizabeth most thankfully consented, and a servant was sent to Longbourn to inform the family about her stay and bring back clothes for Elizabeth and Jane. Children, the main characters in the story, My Dearest Lizzie, goes like this. Jane and Elizabeth shares a very affectionate relationship. The bond between the two sisters is very strong, and Elizabeth is ready to face all odds to be with Jane. Mr. Bennet is uncaring towards his family. Instead of going himself to fetch Jane, he let Elizabeth go in such a bad weather. Instead of being genuinely concerned about Jane, he passes sarcastic comments on his wife, even in such a tense situation. Mrs. Bennet is recklessly ambitious, indifferently obsessed in getting her daughters married. In realizing her silly plans, she is ready to go to the extent of involving her daughters in hazardous situations.